Yes, why many AI adoption strategies waste their potential. Hello and Grüezi from Feusisberg in Switzerland. I'm Tom from AllyAllez. AI reduces costs. AI automates processes. AI optimizes workflows. Yes, but is that really enough? Many companies implement AI with these goals in mind. Yet, they overlook the real lever for value creation, Servuktion, the intentional design of services with and for service consumers. Today, we'll uncover why a pure automation strategy falls short and how companies can create real impact instead. The problem: automation versus value creation. Many organizations implement AI to make existing processes more efficient. But without a deeper transformation, the added value remains limited. B2B example. A company implements AI-driven invoice automation in its cloud ERP system. Sounds smart, right? But the service customer is the finance team. They benefit from automated billing and faster payment reconciliation. The service consumer, the sales team, sees no real benefit. They still have to manually track outstanding payments, lack AI-driven payment forecasts, and miss potential sales opportunities. The problem? The AI optimizes only an internal process instead of improving the entire service flow. The solution: Servuktion instead of just automation. Servuktion ensures that service consumers are actively integrated into the value creation process. AI must go beyond speeding up workflows, it needs to provide real, Nuts effect. How could a Servuktion-based solution look? Instead of only automating billing, the company integrates AI-powered revenue forecasting. The sales team gets real-time insights into which customers are likely to make repeat purchases. The CFO and finance team still enjoy cost optimization, while the sales team can drive revenue growth. That's the difference between mere automation and true value creation through Servuktion, with the result, Nuts effect. Conclusion: AI is not an end in itself, it must empower service consumers. Instead of just implementing AI, companies need Servuktion as a strategic approach. What's your take? If AI is just a tool, who's really in charge? You are? Let's talk. Connect with me on LinkedIn for a 15-minute strategy call to explore how we can accelerate AI adoption in your organization. That was Tom from AllyAllez. Ever wondered what AllyAllez means? It's simple: ally, because AI adoption is better together. Allez, because we move forward, fast. AI transformation starts with you. Until next time, let's do it.